So the next topic is the solar thermal power or electric generation systems. Solar thermal power electric generation systems. So what are basically these systems are like? These the main aim is to in the case of the solar panels, what is the main aim? The main aim is to collect, and after collecting the sunlight, the main thing is firstly you have to collect the sunlight, and after collecting the sunlight, what you have to do is to concentrate the sunlight at the particular point. So what, so as to get the high temperature heat from in order to generate the electricity. So this is the use of the the solar thermal power electric generation system. The first is to collect the light, and next is to, after collecting the light, then concentrate the sunlight. Firstly the collect the sunlight and then concentrate the sunlight, after collecting and concentrating the light, in order to get the highest temperature heat, okay, so as to generate the electricity. So what are these systems, what we are discussing over here is the solar thermal power system. There are two main components in this. What are that two main components that will basically provide you with the the maximum temperature, or that will help you to concentrate the maximum sunlight at some particular point. Okay, so the two components for that are the first is the reflectors, or you can say the mirrors. So different thermal systems have the different configuration for the connection of these reflectors, but whatsoever will be the shape, what will be the basically the shape of reflectors, so as to get the maximum sunlight to be concentrated at the particular point. Okay. All the solar thermal systems have like the two main components. First one is the reflector, which is also known as the mirrors. The Obviously the main task of the mirror is to capture and to capture the sunlight, कैप्चर करना है सनलाइट को, कैप्चर करने के बाद उसको क्या कराना है, फोकस कराना है सनलाइट को ऑन टू द रिसीवर, कैप्चर एंड फोकस द सनलाइट ऑन टू द रिसीवर. तो वी हैड ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कि आपके पास जो भी सिस्टम्स होते हैं, इन सिस्टम्स के अंदर क्या होता है कि हीट ट्रांसफर फ्लूइड होता है. जब आपके पास सनलाइट फोकस होती है इन रिसीवर्स के अंदर, वो हीट फ्लूइड जो होता है दैट गेट हीटेड अप, and when that fluid get heated up, that will start circulating into the receiver, and that will help you to that will help the system to produce the steam. And the steam that is produced over here is that steam produced over here is that will be converted into the mechanical energy. If we were discussing about the case of turbines, that will further result into the production of the electricity. So different solar systems have the different tracking systems. Some systems are like they keep on changing their position depending upon the sunlight, like they are having the movable structure inside, but some are like fixed ones. So they have this, all solar thermal power systems have the different tracking systems, so as to keep the sunlight focused onto the receiver. Okay, so there are different types of the concentrating solar thermal power plants, depending upon the how this classification is basically done. The types of concentrating solar thermal power plants. Solar thermal types of concentrating solar thermal power plants. So there are basically three types of the concentrating solar thermal plants. First one is the linear concentrating system. Linear concentrating systems. which are basically further includes the parabolic trough and the, which are basically of two types, that is the parabolic trough and the linear Fresnel reflectors. Linear Fresnel reflectors. So, what is basically this linear concentrating system is again is to collect the sun energy. Like in this case, hold for a second. So these concern जो ये आपके पास लीनियर कंसंट्रेटिंग सिस्टम होते हैं, व्हाई द नेम इज गिवन टू दिस सिस्टम लाइक द लीनियर कंसंट्रेटिंग सिस्टम, बिकॉज लाइक द मिरर्स, जो भी यहाँ पर आपके पास मिरर्स यूज होते हैं, दे आर हैविंग लाइक इनकी जो शेप रहती है मिरर्स की, दे आर ऑफ दे आर लॉन्ग rectangular long rectangular rectangle long rectangular curved rectangle, yes, rectangle curved u-shaped mirror, yes. Okay. So these how these systems are basically, we are dividing these systems, we are dividing on the basis of the on the basis of the types of, on the basis of the types of the mirrors, on the shapes of the mirror. Like in the case of the linear concentrating reflectors, linear concentrating system, you are having the mirrors that are basically long rectangular curved U-shaped mirrors are there. Again, but the main thing is like to focus the sunlight onto the receivers, that will basically depends upon the length of the mirrors which we are using, and depending upon the light that get focused, depending upon that focus light, the concentrated sunlight, that will basically what that will done, that will heat up the fluid, and that fluid will start flowing through the tubes. And though after that, the like we had already discussed कि आपके पास जो भी fluid होता है, that will result into the heat exchange to boil the water in the system, that will further result into the movement of the turbine, or in the, that will further result into the production of the electricity. But here we are just discussing about the shapes of the mirror, that is the shape of the reflectors, that is the linear concentrating system, though the shapes are in the case, the shapes are in this form. Okay. So, we had divided it into two parts, that is the parabolic trough and the linear Fresnel system. So, two major types are there. Of these two are the major types of the linear concentrating systems. Okay. So, in case of the parabolic trough, what is basically there is in this case, जो भी आपके पास रिसीवर ट्यूब होते हैं, लाइक आपने लाइक मिरर्स का स्टडी किया होता है, कनकेव मिरर, कन्वेक्स मिरर्स, आपके पास लाइक प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस होता है, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस पर आपके पास फोकल पॉइंट रहता है, सिमिलरली यू आर हैविंग द डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स ऑन दैट प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, एंड you have to place the object at the different positions, and depending upon the that the curves will get bent after reflecting from the mirror. Similarly here also, like in the case of parabolic trough, the that depends upon where basically we are placing the system, like where we are placing the receiver tubes. So in the case of the parabolic trough, जो भी receiver tubes होती हैं, that we have to drive where the fluid will start flowing. In this case, in the case of the parabolic trough, the receiver tubes they are basically positioned along the focal line. Okay. लाइक आपके पास जो भी फोकल लाइन होती है, उसके अलोंग यहाँ पर इसको क्या किया जाता है, फॉर द ईच पैराबोलिक मिरर. It's not like we are basically using a number of parabolic mirrors, that is basically the arrays we are using. So whatsoever will be the array, in the case of that, the focal line, the receiver tube, that will basically positioned at the focal line of each parabolic mirror. So this is the one part, that is the parabolic trough, whereas if we compare it with the linear Fresnel reflector systems, in this case, the receiver tube, they are basically positioned above the several meters to allow the meters like the greater mobility in tracking the sun. They are placed one above the other. Like this is the Like this is a receiver tube that is placed above other receiver tube. There is one other receiver tube. Depending upon this, they are positioned one above the other so as to like increase the focus point and to allow the greater mobility, that is a movement of the system so as to track the maximum sunlight. Okay, so these are the two basic parts. We can in the parabolic तब we had seen कि आपके पास the जो भी reflector रहता that is basically along the focal line, along the focus, you are having a parabolic of the shape is like in the form of the mirrors are basically in the shape of parabola. That is why we are defining it by the term by the parabolic of the shape is basically in the form of parabola. Okay, and the receiver pipes, they are basically located on the focus, this is the parabola shape, this is the focal point. So the receiver pipes are basically located on the focus of this parabola. And again, depending upon the tails, whatsoever the tails are there, depending upon the tails, the sun will keep on focus. Sunlight will get focused on the receiver so as to depending, and the sun will keep on moving from east to west during the daytime, and so as to get the maximum efficiency, maximum intensity as compared to the normal systems where the tracking is not in this form. So this is about the for a second. So these are the two reflectors types of the mirrors.